Caught it. 2 suns. That is 2 suns. What is that? What is that? Come on, Facebook. Today is the Sabbath. You can't say the Father ain't talking. Look at that. 2 suns. You see it? Y'all think it's a game. Look, I am outside of my own home. Seeing with my own 2 eyes. Look. There's 2 of them, watch. I zoom in, droop. Look. What is that? What is that? This morning I seen 2 crescent moons. Now today I see this evening. Someone told me to go outside. Record the sun. 2 suns. Do you see it? No cap. 2 suns. That's my car. 2 suns. Y'all see it? 2 suns. It's shining so bright, they got 2 suns.
But I just had to look, having read the book.
Man, I was out here. So I just come outside, give my dogs some water, walk to the front. I was looking at the sun like, man, the sun is pretty bright. Like 2 of them up there. It's 2 suns. It's a game. Look. I am live on Facebook, man. This is no joke. Look. No joke. Look, 2 suns. I'm live right now. This ain't nobody else recording. This is me. Hang on, 2 suns. You see it? Everybody see it. I showed you this morning 2 crescent moons. There go the 2 suns. Mama. And if you watch it, mama, remember my vision I had? You remember my vision, mama? Look. See it? That ain't no joke. That's no joke. This ain't no camera trick. Look, this is not no camera trick. Look. It's me. Hey. That's 2 suns up there, too.
Made the bus in seconds flat. Found my way upstairs and had a smoke. And somebody spoke and I went into a dream.
Hey, I'm just saying though. It's 2 of them. So y'all think I'm going crazy, man. Like this morning, Yahuwah told me to go outside, record the moon. Record the moon? What's in the moon? 2 of them. What? Ain't no 2 moon, man. That gotta be a reflection, man. That gotta be a reflection. Why? It's gonna be 3 tonight. That old little supposed to be moon supposed to be popping up. It's gonna be 3 moons tonight, watch. I'm gonna see it?
Nah, it's dark over here, bro.
But I'm showing you, I'm live. It's 2 suns,
Yeah,
bro.
I
You
see
see
it,
that?
bro. Praise God.
That's
In
crazy.
Revelations.
Bro, that's crazy, bro. Like real talk, bro. That's crazy. So